today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your company profile in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're just getting started or you've decided it's time to firm up your company's online presence, establishing a complete company profile in QuickBooks is a crucial step. It's essential that your company details are accurately reflected here, and this process will set the foundation for what follows. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open the QuickBooks website on your preferred browser. Once you're on the main page, you'll want to log in with your credentials, ensuring that you have administrative privileges, since this allows you to make changes to the company profile. After you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. This is your control center, and from here, you can access all kinds of features and settings. Now, direct your attention to the settings icon. You'll recognize this as a gear icon, usually located towards the upper right corner of your dashboard. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a menu with several options. Look for Account and Settings in this menu. Selecting it will take you to a new page where you can begin setting up your company's profile. Once you're on the Account and Settings page, you'll see multiple tabs, each with different aspects of your account that you can customize. For our purposes today, you're going to click on the tab labeled Company. This is where the magic happens, as it's the section dedicated to your company's identity within QuickBooks. Within this page, you'll notice various fields that you can fill out. Let's start with the basics. Enter your company name accurately. It's important to ensure that this matches the official registered name of your business to maintain professionalism and consistency. Next, you'll input your company's address. This information is critical, particularly for invoicing and other forms of documentation that may be generated through QuickBooks. Continue to fill in your company's email and phone number. These will be used not only for QuickBooks communications, but also for any customer-facing documentation, so you'll want to make sure they're correct and regularly checked. You might see additional fields asking for things like your website and industry type. Providing as much information as possible here helps QuickBooks tailor its services to fit your business's needs. Once you've carefully input all the necessary details, take a moment to review your entries. Ensuring accuracy at this stage will save you from future headaches. When you're satisfied that everything is correct and complete, it's time to finish up. Simply click the Done button to save all your changes. And there you have it. Your company profile is now all set up in QuickBooks Online. Congratulations on taking this essential step toward better managing your finances and providing a seamless experience for your clients. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more in-depth QuickBooks insights. Thanks for watching.